You know, those Reels, Shorts, and TikToks filled with snippets from podcasts or featuring random celebrities? They're great, but sometimes they feel a bit overused. And what if I told you there's a way to create luxury motivational content that's not only unique, but also completely original and ready to monetize? We're not talking about grabbing clips from podcasts or anything like that. This is about creating your own motivational masterpiece, completely original. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered motivational video creation. We'll be breaking down the entire process in just 5 simple steps, from script to final copy. So, ditch the generic motivational clips and let's create something that truly inspires. Let's get started with step 1. Finding your perfect quotes. First things first, we need to find the perfect quote, the one that'll truly ignite the fire within. There are tons of ways to find a killer quote. You can search online with Google, just like you would for anything else. Or for a more visual approach, you can browse inspiring images on Pinterest. We're bringing some AI firepower to this video. We'll be using ChatGPT to generate some unique and powerful motivational quotes. Head over to ChatGPT and ask for 5 motivational quotes for my YouTube shorts about business success, entrepreneurship, and how to succeed in life. Third one looks perfect, so I'm just copying the quote. So, whether you use Google, Pinterest, or our secret AI weapon, ChatGPT, the key is to find a quote that resonates with you and the message you want to convey. Alright, step 1 complete. You've got your motivational quote ready to go. Now, let's dive to step 2, voiceover. This is where things get even cooler. We're going to breathe life into your quote by adding a voiceover. There are actually 2 ways to go about this. If you have a booming voice and a decent microphone, you can record yourself saying the quote. Not everyone feels comfortable being their own narrator. That's totally fine. The other option, which is what we'll be using in this video, is to use AI magic to convert the text into a voiceover. We're going to use a website called 11 Labs to create an awesome voiceover for your quote. 11 Labs lets you choose from a variety of voices like male, female, different accents, and even cartoon characters. Head over to 11 Labs. You can click the link in the description below. Sign up using your Google account. It's super easy. Once you're in, look for the option that says text-to-speech. That's the one we want. Scroll down a bit and paste your motivational quote into the box they have there. Now comes the fun part. Explore all the different voices they offer. Remember, you can pick a deep male voice like I suggested, or maybe something else entirely. The important thing is to find a voice you like. Once you've chosen your voice, click the button that says Generate. When the voiceover is done, give it a listen.
In the pursuit of success, there will be moments of doubt.
If it sounds awesome, which I bet it will, click the download button to save it. Awesome! We've got our motivational quote and a powerful voiceover. Now, let's jump to step 3, background music. The right background music can make a huge difference in your video. It can make it feel inspiring, uplifting, or even energetic, depending on your message. You can use any website for music. Just make sure it's copyright free. We're going to use a website called Chosic. They have a huge library of royalty-free music that you can use completely for free in your videos. You don't even need to worry about copyright issues. Head over to chosic.com, scroll down, and click Browse Library. You can search by genre, mood, or even type in specific keywords. For our motivational video, select Motivation. Now you can find plenty of music to play with. Don't rush this part. Take some time to listen to different tracks and find one that really fits the vibe of your video. Once you find a track you like, you can simply download it. Here's the important thing. Since the music is royalty-free, you can use it for free, but you do need to give the artist a quick shout-out in your video's description. So just copy the credits and paste them in your video description during upload. Alright everyone, we're almost there. We've got our motivational quote, a killer voiceover, and some awesome background music. Now, let's move to step 4, adding visuals. The right visuals can make a huge difference in your video. They can help grab attention, illustrate your message, and make your video even more engaging. But where do we find amazing visuals for our motivational masterpiece? Check out a website called Pexels. Pexels has a huge library of royalty-free stock videos and images that you can use completely for free in your projects. You won't have to worry about any copyright issues, making it a safe and reliable choice. Head over to Pexels and search for videos that match the theme of your quote. For example, if your quote is about chasing your dreams, you could search for keywords like success, motivation, or determination. But if you're stuck and need some inspiration for video ideas, don't worry. Head over to ChatGPT and ask to generate some video ideas that perfectly complement your chosen quote. Now ChatGPT will give the entire visual ideas for your quotes. Now, read the visual ideas generated by ChatGPT and enter the keywords in Pexels to generate the best visuals. For example, in the first paragraph, it asks to place a video of a cinematic aerial shot of a sprawling city skyline. Go to Pexels and search for sprawling city skyline. Click Filter and choose Vertical. Now choose any video that suits your quotes. I like this one. Select the video and click the download button to download your visuals. Using the same step, you can download all the visuals for your video. Once done, move on to the final step. Editing. We've got all the ingredients for an amazing motivational video. A powerful quote, a killer voiceover, and some stunning visuals. Now, let's put it all together using a video editing app. We'll be using CapCut, a free and easy-to-use editing app, to bring your motivational video to life. Open up CapCut on your PC. Once you're in, click the Import button to bring in all the elements we've created. Okay, with everything imported, let's start editing. First, drag and drop your voiceover recording onto the editing timeline. Then, add your background music track right below the voiceover. Then remove the unwanted areas. Now, it's time to bring in all those awesome visuals. Drag and drop each video clip you downloaded from Pexels onto the editing timeline. Make sure your aspect ratio is 9:16. Once everything is in place, you can trim any unwanted parts of the video clips and rearrange them to match the flow of your quote. CapCut lets you easily move and adjust clips on the timeline, so have fun getting creative. Now, let's add some captions to make it even more impactful. CapCut makes adding captions super easy. Just click on the text and then select Auto Caption. Now choose Language to English, then click Create. This will automatically generate captions based on the audio in your video. Once the captions are generated, you can edit them if needed. Go over to the Text tab on the right side of the screen. Here's where you can get creative. I'm choosing a nice, elegant font for this video, but you can pick whatever style you like that goes with your overall theme. You can also play around with the caption colors and even add a little glow effect to make them stand out. Once you're happy with the font and color, head over to the Animation tab. Click on Caption and choose an animation you like. I think spring would be a cool choice for this motivational video. Finally, let's center the text on the screen and make it a bit bigger so it's easy to read. We want the voiceover to be clear and prominent, while the music complements it without overpowering the message. Let's adjust the music volume. Click on the music track in the editing timeline and drag the volume slider down a bit. Let's add some fade in and fade out effects to the music at the beginning and end. Alright, with the music under control, let's make sure the voiceover is nice and clear. Click on the voiceover track and adjust the volume slider upwards. CapCut has tons of other effects and transitions you can explore to make your video even more visually engaging. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. Once everything done, here is the final result.
In the pursuit of success, there will be moments of doubt, fear, and uncertainty. But remember, it's during these moments that your character is truly tested. Stay focused on your goals, believe in your abilities, and never underestimate the power of perseverance. With hard work and dedication, you have the power to turn your dreams into reality.
Stunning, right? You've just created a truly epic motivational video. With a little creativity and the help of these awesome tools, you can create motivational videos that will inspire yourself and others. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, share your video with the world, and spread some motivation. don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome video creation tutorials. And remember, you've got the power to achieve anything you set your mind to. Now get out there and make it happen.